Today, we're playing a new game. Well, not new, my bad. We're playing Gigabit Off-Road. So, I'm gonna do, let's do this one. Why not? The Chevy. The short bed. Sorry if you guys hear coughing, it's because I'm sick. I mean, not, well, yeah, sick. Let's get a bumper. Sure. Let's see what's stock. I can't see that. I'll just put that on. Honestly, okay, I know how I'm gonna do this now. Just look for the piece. Right. This one right here. I'm gonna max it out. And if you guys are wondering, how I have so much money, it's because it's an APK I have. So I'm gonna put it to 10, lower it, 5. Actually, let's keep it at 50. Wait a minute, like right there. That'll do it. The back, the 2, up to 10 and 5. We're gonna drop that. Bigger tires. Okay, not that big. That's good. Let's get these ones right here. These look pretty nice. I'm gonna get this truck in a lime color. Get this black. This actually kind of want it to be like green too. Nah, these actually, yeah. Alright, so this is the build. I'm gonna go test it out if this would let me. Alright, let's go on to the game. Wait, I'm gonna lower this. There you go. So I'm gonna be doing this right here, and hopefully it turns out good. Alright, sorry for that Wi-Fi thing. I'm in my parents' room because my sister's watching a movie. So yeah, so I'm gonna drop it to low, lock the diffs. Wait, sorry, I'm gonna go change the settings real quick. I'm not used to this. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go up this. Oh, come on, don't drop it. Bro, I like the suspension, it's pretty nice. Leave in the comments down below if you guys want me to see me play more of this. I'll come back to you until I get back up where the spot I was. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully I can do it. If you guys want to see more videos, just leave it in the comments down below. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Anthony. Oh gosh, no, I don't want to get back up there again. Sorry guys, I have to pause this again. Alright guys, I kind of started it already, but I'm going up there. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Hopefully we can do this. Because I failed this 3 times in a row. Ooh, come on. Come on. Okay. Ooh, that worked. That worked out. Okay, we're gonna find this. Okay, we're going up here. Come on. Oh, if you guys want to see a wheelie build, just tell me. I might do a wheelie build tomorrow, so you guys can see it. But the wheelie builds are kind of expensive, so yeah. Even if you have a lot of money, it's probably gonna leave a big hole in your credit card. Woo! I just saved it. That was so lucky. I'm still nowhere. I think I'm nowhere near the end. Oh my gosh. Ooh, come on. Ooh, oh, that was so close. Ooh. Only if I didn't put the winch on, I would have been done. I have to flip this back over. Look at these goats. This truck usually tips over a lot, so that's why I wasn't pedaling, pushing the gas. Whew. This is a super steep hill. Come on, get it. What? No, that sucks. Let's see if I can land this. Ooh, alright, that was good. Oh, so if you guys have a truck with the suspension at 10, you can do wheelies. So press it on low. Ah, dang it. It didn't work. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. And if you guys want to see the wheelie build, you have to use these Jeeps, just the Jeeps. Leave it in the comments down below. Peace out.